Okay, so this is how to draw an hexagon. Compass, anywhere you want, lock it so it doesn't move around. If you want to choose your size, you can choose any size you want, play around with it. Lock it, grab the compass, you see from the top, and draw a circle. Okay, then you move the compass from the pointy end to anywhere you like on the circle. Just choose any point of the circle. Grab again the top of the compass and draw another circle. Now you just created two intersections between the two circles, 1 and 2. Choose one of them and go with your pointy bit of the compass again to find the intersection. This program is useful and helpful because you see it snaps in the nearest intersection, so you can't really get it wrong. Okay, just go until the pointy bit is in the intersection, draw another circle. Guess what's the next step? Go again to the next intersection and draw another circle. And then guess what? Let's go draw another circle. Yeah, this should give you the confidence that it's all about doing a little bit more practice with your actual tools to be able to complete this. You finish here, and now you notice you created a lovely flower, which could also be, you go select you can get rid of the compass by just clicking the compass tool. Now the easiest thing to do is to grab the line tool or segment tool. If you want to choose a different color to make it highly visible, you can choose a different color. And then with your line tool, you go in the tips of the flower petals, if you will. Yeah, select the intersection there and go to the next one. And then again, and then you click and you go to the next, and so on. And all of a sudden, you have created a beautiful regular hexagon. Congratulations. Now, I would like for you, before you take a screenshot, to even just hover on your name here. A little label will come up with your name, or if you click on it, you definitely have your full details, which is great. Shift or however you take a screenshot, whichever way you prefer. Screenshot. Importantly, when I take my screenshot, I want this part with my name to be in it as well as the picture. Okay? And you're all done. You just now have to submit your screenshot as part 1 of your homework. Thank you very much for your time.